I got the vacuum plugged in. This is my room. And I am gonna vacuum. Because I love to clean. And I really do, guys. I'm not just saying that for YouTube. I really do. I really do love to clean, guys. I really, really do. I'm not just saying that for YouTube. I love to clean. The vacuum machine! It did it! It did it! We clean it! We clean it! Clean! Yeah, yeah, yeah! The clean machine is not the Surrogacy game. It can be an ass vacuum. Yeah. I love to vacuum. You love to vacuum into this clean stuff. Yeah. Cleaning. Yeah. I see y'all next time. Bye, y'all. The clean machine, aka the vacuum, out! Clean. It's clean. Yeah. It's clean. Bye, y'all. Clean machine, aka the vacuum, out. Oh, yeah. Bye, y'all. See you in the next vlog. Clean it out.